Hey everybody, I'm going to very quickly show you how to update your what was former Pinks and Blues and now it's a digital document. So I'm going to send you a link via email, and when you get it, it'll look like this, and you're going to open it, and then it'll open up to your student page. So these should be your students. I'm using Butler as an example. And you can see across the bottom that everybody's names are down here. Please don't click on any of those because then it just kind of gets crazy, and I'm going to directly email your page. So this is Butler's page. You can see these are her current students, and then what you'll do is you go through, and it's just like the Pinks and Blues before, except for now it's digital. So where it says student needs help, you're just going to go through and fill it in. Discipline, same with discipline. You have to click actually in the square and input the answer all the way AC for next year, which wouldn't be applicable to first grade. Talented development for next year, students to be separated. On this one, you would just have to put in a name, allergies, yes or no, keep on going, and any additional notes. And that would just be anything that you need to tell us related to the student that's not in one of the other areas. And then you don't have to worry about EIP and those kind of services because we have another sheet that actually is pulled from Synergy, and everything is already on there. EIP, if it's language arts or math EIP, special ed, AC, and all of that. So this is just the regular Pinks and Blues, and if you get in there and you think of something else that needs to be added, just put it down under additional notes. It automatically saves. You don't have to do anything, and when you're done, you're just going to close out, and that's it. All right. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, email me or call me. Okay, bye.